From an incredible scene of hanging with Burj Khalifa in Ghost Protocol to halo jump in Mission Impossible Fallout, Tom Cruise is known as one of the most iconic and daring action stars of Hollywood. While he is known for pushing the boundaries of what's possible with his on-screen stunts, did you know that many of them are actually real? That's right, Tom Cruise doesn't rely on CGI or stunt double for majority of his action sequences. So let's have a look on top 5 real stunts of Tom Cruise.
No!
Kicking off our list at number 5 is the jaw-dropping Burj Khalifa climb from Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol. Tom Cruise scaled the world's tallest building, a dizzying 2,722 feet above the ground, without the use of a stunt double. While he was harnessed for safety, the sheer height and exposure to the element makes this stunt incredibly daring. Coming at number 4, we have the thrilling airplane stunt from Mission Impossible Rogue Nation, where Cruise strapped himself to the exterior of a military cargo plane during takeoff, reaching speed of up to 140 miles per hour.
Open that door right now!
Yeah, I'm trying!
At number 3 for this breathtaking sequence in Fallout, Cruise took things to a whole new level. He performed a real halo jump, exiting an airplane at the height of 25,000 feet and free-falling for over a minute before deploying the parachute. This stunt required months of training and preparation, further solidifying Cruise's reputation as a fearless performer.
Altitude, 25,000 feet.
In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the death-defying motorcycle chase from Mission Impossible 2. Cruise tore through the streets of Sydney at breakneck speed, executing hair-raising stunt with precision and style. This scene set the bar for action sequences in early 2000s. For the latest installment of Mission Impossible franchise, Cruise once again defied gravity. He performed a real motorcycle jump over a steep drop, landing safely on the other side. This stunt was filmed multiple times to achieve the perfect shot, demonstrating Cruise's unwavering commitment to excellence. These are just 5 of the many real stunts that Tom Cruise has actually performed throughout his career. So what's your favorite real Tom Cruise stunt? Let me know in the comment below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting videos.